Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I came to you today to do a full face tutorial today, since I have not been able to get any type of looks out or anything out, period. Yeah, we're gonna start off with a fresh start and start off with some new things. And yeah, so I decided, since I'm off work, I've just decided to go ahead and just do my makeup, because I've been saying I'm gonna do my makeup on YouTube and I just never get around to doing it. But I'm here to get a look out for you guys. I don't know if you can tell, but I did get some new lighting, which I'm very excited about. I also get a lot of questions on my camera that I use due to the quality and everything like that, which the camera that I use is the Canon T6i. It is the Rebel T6i. I have done I know it's at least one video that's already out when I very first got the camera, but that video was like old and you'll probably have to like scroll to like really look for the video. So I decided to do a full look today. It isn't going to be anything with any eyeshadow or anything like that. I am going to throw on some bomb ass lashes, and that's about it. But I will give you guys a new updated routine of my foundation. So if you want to get an everyday nice flawless ass look, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you are following me on my social medias. At first I was going live on Facebook. I am no longer going live on Facebook anymore. So yeah, so I'm gonna make a schedule. If you hear my dogs, y'all, like they're like in their cages, like. But yeah, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like this video. If you do, if you want to comment down below, you definitely can, and I will talk to you guys. You guys, so before we get into this video, I just want to show you guys my new little man. He looking at me like, why are you doing this right now? So you guys, I have a bearded dragon. We've been had him for about 4 months now, and he has been the love of my life. He has, besides my dogs, he has been the love of my life, seriously. So we got him in for Christmas. I got him for Christmas for my son. And let me turn this off. During Christmas time, I got him at PetSmart. I have a whole separate video when I purchased him and everything like that, but I'm in love with him. He is 4 months old, and he's pretty long, you guys. So this is him. His tail is like all the way down here. So yes, this is him. I've been had him since he was about a month old. So yeah, he's awesome. He can just chill right here like all day. Like he doesn't need, he can just sit right here and I just do my makeup or I do my hair and he just be cool. He be chilling. But yeah, I've been had him since he was about a month old. He's 4 months now. Let me show you guys like him. Like he won't It's stuck to my sweater. This is Leonard. We named him Leonard. The camera can focus on him really well. I can just show you guys. Mr. Leonard. He has gotten like really big since I purchased him. But he's a really cool animal. I like him a whole lot. Like a whole lot. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. As you can see in the video, it was really simple. It wasn't hard whatsoever because my routine is pretty simple. It's never really been a hard routine for me. This has been my most updated foundation routine. This is normally how I do my makeup when I do put makeup on. So I just normally just use foundation, concealer. I might contour just a tad bit, but if I contour, I just use a powder. I don't use anything else. I might set it depending on what contour that I use, and then I just put on my highlighter, throw me some bomb ass lashes on. Oh, by the way, my lashes, you guys, these are my own collection. These are in the style Chloe. You can find these on my website, but right now my website is down. So if you want to purchase them, just let me know. You can go on my Instagram or my Facebook, just send me over a message and I'll be more than happy to send these to you. So yeah, these are Chloe. These are but they are the extra long and they are the most popular ones. I sold out when I very first brought these out, and I still have some left, which I will continue to restock on my lashes. I also have I have a Chloe and I have a Lily. These are my lashes. These came from my own style lashes. So if you want to purchase, you would have to go on my website, or you can just go on one of my social medias. They'll be pinned down below. Just send me a message or just write under my comments, and I'll be more than happy to get in touch with you so I can send you these lashes. I don't know if I showed on the camera, but I did prime my face. I used this baby skin, don't let me lie to y'all, it was some primer. It was like a little tube of it because I don't have any more primer, so I just threw that on my face. And yeah, so this is the look, you guys. This is typically how I do my face. That's about it. I will post everything that I applied on this video down in the description box, so make sure, excuse me, you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you let me know what you guys want to see so I can bring you guys more looks. Next look won't be this simple. It will be something with some eyeshadow, so it won't be as boring next time, but I tried to make it fun. Okay, everything will be pinned down below, you guys. I will talk to you guys in my next video.